Hello. Hey guys. Today this cutie was here for me. Earlier the TV made weird noises, it freaked me out, scared her too. When it finally ended, I looked for them, I found them, and then, I went to lay down. I was still bothered by it at some time, and this little one noticed we've been together. I haven't been feeling good, so when the noise happened, I couldn't really do much about it. But here's this cutie keeping my spirits up. She's so cute. Little Belfie, little Belfie. You have so good attentions. He's so playful right now. Here's my little Belfie. Little Belfie. Now, look at the playful mood they're in. Well, that's gonna be it for now. Just a little update. The little one keeping me happy. Boo!